Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to release a song on Ditto Music. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is make sure we've got the Ditto Music application download and install on our mobile device. To do this, go to your Player App Store, search Ditto Music and go ahead, download and install. Then from here, we want to go ahead and open it up. Now, you're going to be taken to the home page here where it's going to say your name, your account balance, and then from here we want to go ahead and create a release. So click on create release. Now on this page, it's going to say create a new release. So if this is your first release, don't worry, they've got you covered. Releasing your music with us is quick and easy. They're going to save your progress as you go, so you can come back to edit your release at any time before you confirm it at checkout. So from here, if it's a standard release, click on create new, or if it's electronic dance music release, go ahead and click on create new. So for this, I'm going to do a standard release. Now we need to give this title, so put in your title here. Then from here, go ahead and click on create. Now it's going to create that. So now this is the Ditto release builder is designed. You might get a little message like here. You need to go ahead and read. So they're going to have some rules that you need to abide by. So just click out of that. Then from here, the Ditto release builder is designed for desktop. Upload your music there for a better experience. But that's okay. I'm just going to show it on my mobile device from now. Now, title of album, EP or single, copyright holder, copyright year, production holder. So it's going to give you all that. Record label, so independent. Go ahead and add a new label. Release artists. Now, which artist do you want to release under? You can go ahead and start typing. And then we can go ahead and click on convert to various artists or add another release artist. Now your release can be listed under more than one artist, so use the additional artist row to compose a full release artist name. So for example, Bob Marley and the Wailers featuring Pete Tosh. Then from here we want to go ahead and release artwork, so we want to go ahead and add in the image. So cover art must be a square.jpg or JPEG file at least 1400 by 1400 pixels, not blurry or pixelated, and no more than 10 megabytes in size. So the cover art cannot contain social media logos or handles, website links or brand record label logos, any text except for artist names and or the name of the release of the song. If you have cover art contains any of the above, we'll have to reject your release. So just keep that in mind. These rules are set by the music stores and we have to follow by them. Then from here, you want to go ahead and drag your files here. Now keep going down. We've got the release genre, so you want to go ahead and choose your genre. So if it's alternative, Afro beats, if it's so go ahead and choose your genre. Easy listening. Now secondary genre, you can choose that if you like. Now do note that not all genres are available on every store. When a genre you have selected does not exist on the specific store, we will select the closest alternative. So the stores will distribute to use this info when they categorize your release. You must select the primary genre, but a secondary genre is optional. From here, language, and then choose next. And then we want to go ahead and upload your music, so tracks and metadata. So go ahead and drag your files or select files here, and then the audio file requirements. So file format must be in .wav or MP3. .wav is preferred, and file size no larger than 200 megabytes. Now keep scrolling down here, then you go ahead and check these boxes like so, and then covers and copyright material, and then from here go ahead and click onto next. Then plan your release, so you can choose a release date if you like. So you can do the next day, or you can do months or years in advance. So I want to say 14th of March. And then from here, priority distro, so skip the queue to get your music out extra fast, give yourself more time to pitch for playlists. So we can pay for that, or your standard distro, which is included. Now set a release time, this is a pro subscription, so you can enter release time. And then would you like to add country restrictions and limit the availability of your release? You can, so you can go ahead and click yes and then select territories. I'm just going to do no. And then has this been released before? No or yes. Optional extras, so you can register the release for the official charts. So we've got UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, worldwide, if you want to select that. So say if I want to do worldwide, exclusive add-ons, pre-release downloads. Keep scrolling down, click next. Now select your stores. So how would you like to charge for each track? So you got budget, premium or mid, digital stores, all stores, download only stores, streaming only stores, custom selection of stores. So you can custom select these if you want. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, future and upcoming stores, should we send this release to new stores automatically when they become available? You can go ahead and click yes or no, then click next. Now we're getting into the tail end of this demonstration. So review your release. So complete release. So obviously you're going to have all this filled out. This is just for this demonstration. You're going to have an image here. You're going to have like a better title and stuff, and you're going to have your genre, secondary genre. So just make sure all this is correct. If it isn't, just go back and edit it. Also track list, and then go ahead and click on complete release. So I haven't uploaded a track or anything like that, just showing you. So on the next page, it's going to be where you can pay for it. So you can use your credit card, debit card, to basically add in your banking info and tax info. And then basically from there, you want to submit for distribution. Then Ditto will review your song. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. And then after release, you can use the Ditto analytics to track your streams, downloads, earnings by platform as well.